How to enable dark mode in any app on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To enable dark mode in most Android apps, you can activate it through your phone system settings. So first thing first, just head over to your device's settings, and once you're inside here, just scroll down and find the display option. So simply select it, and here you should see for most cases there will be also a option called theme, and you can just choose between dark and light from there, but in Samsung devices it will automatically show you this option, so where you can easily select dark or light depending upon your choice. So in this example I'm showing you the dark mode. So when I completely change my display theme to dark mode, now all of the applications including my gallery will advance or apply with the dark mode, as you can see currently. So in some of the cases, some applications might not use the dark mode of the system itself, so you may have to manually set up in that case. So in this example I'm using UCut, which is a video editing tool. So in this case I'll just head over to its appearance section and just choose it dark mode from the app itself manually. So I hope that clears your doubt, and if this video was informational, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.